What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz in the daily back here with another video. Now it's cold as shit out here, all right, but as you guys know, I was in Virginia this weekend. My oil change was up about 500 miles ago, so we're headed to Advance to pick up some oil, knock out an oil change on this. My wheel bearings should be here today or tomorrow, which I'll then take to Han and then put all that back together, put the Skyline back together. Let's go get some oil. To eat my hot dogs, and my wheel bearings are here, so I'm gonna contact Han right now and see if I can take these over to him after I do my oil change. Don't understand how hard it is. I mean, some of you guys might, but I'm gonna guess most of you don't understand how hard it is to change oil on a low car, all right? It's absolutely annoying. I do not want to do it, but I have to, and let's just knock it out. Well, spilled a little bit of oil, like everywhere. Oh God. Oh God. Oh Lord. Sorry, Mom and Dad. Oh Jesus. All right, I promise I'll try to clean it. So, thankfully the filter wasn't super tight, and I was able to get it with my hand. And at this point, I've just accepted, when I have a house, the driveway is just gonna be like shot. Just oil, coolant, trans fluid, anything and everything you can think of. So the hard part's done. Now I just have to put the oil drain plug back in, put the filter back on, fill it up with oil, and we're good to go. Now to add in 4 quarts of 5W30 full synthetic. Don't worry, I'm not forgetting the oil cap this time. If you don't know what I'm referencing, go watch 2 videos before this. And since I'm extra careful about this car, I'm actually gonna put the scrape plate back on. I know, right? I really don't wanna go back down there and do it because I forgot about it. I'm just gonna do it, put the car on the ground, and we'll be good to go. I mean, that wasn't that bad, right? Like, that's only like a quart. So, oh well, oil's changed. What's up, boys? So it's the next day. My bearings got here yesterday, as you guys saw, and this is what a wheel bearing looks like, right? You know, great bearing. What you guys are looking at right now is a picture of my bearing. It's in 2 pieces. I was really confused when this happened, and I still don't quite know what's going on. I called Terra Firma Automotive to see what he thought about it. He thinks the outer sleeve of the bearing that would cover those rollers is stuck in my hub somewhere, and then the bearing broke in half in the middle. So these should be the right ones. I'm waiting to hear back from Han right now to see if the outer sleeve is in the hub or if it's just gone completely, but either way, these should be the right bearings. So I still think I'm gonna ride out to Durham today to drop these off. Fingers crossed. All right, so first of all, shout out to Han for getting this out, but this was stuck in the knuckle, and it looked like there were two separate pieces, and they were, but I guess the updated design is just one piece. So that's what was confusing us, because it was stuck in here and it looked like two separate bearings, but he got it out. We have the new bearings ready to be pressed back in, and we should be good to go. Pressed in just fine. On this side, what he did was put this little retaining clip, pressed it to it, and then stopped it. We're gonna put the other one in on the other side of this hub, and then find the what are the little covers for the bearings?
Seals.
Okay.
There's a front and a rear seal.
Okay. And then we're gonna find the front and rear seal, replace them if they can be. Otherwise, I just might order new ones, but we should be good. So right now what's going on is these, I don't know what, this half of the bearing is still stuck on the hub, and we're trying to get this piece off without having to reuse we're trying to get this piece off without using the new hubs. So if it works, it works. If not, I already have two hubs here, so we might have to do that, but I'm not sure. So we got the outer piece off, and we're trying to get this one inner piece off, but a big chunk of it came off already. We'll see. But we were able to save one of the inner seals here, so this will be able to get pressed into the knuckle. So one down, boys. Alright, you guys go let me know down in the comments. Do you guys buckle in your parts when you're carrying around a bunch of heavy shit? Let me know, because I'm not trying to have this go flying. I have it all separated out so it won't beat each other up, but let me know. Put it down in the comments right now. Alright, so we got most of the parts back together. As I was saying, this got pressed in all good. I am missing one front seal, and then this is the other front seal that is broken. We saved the rear seal on that one, and then we're gonna save the rear seal on the other hub knuckle. I just ordered two more front seals. It was actually the last two they had from Terra Firma Automotive. No, this isn't sponsored. Their parts get here in like 2 days, and Dan over there at Terra Firma is just so helpful. He's like, yo, just send me a picture, we can figure it out. That's exactly what we did. We got it figured out. So I believe that is where we're gonna wrap up this video for today. We got a lot done. I know it doesn't look like it or really feel like it, but we're one step closer to getting this thing back on the road. I need that seal to come in, then I can put one of these back together, wait for the other seal to come in, and put the other side back together. So fingers crossed, boys. Yeah, just pray for me. I need tires, get it aligned,
we'll be good to go. But this has been Fitz Miller, back here with another video. We'll see you guys in the next one.